Hello. Welcome to Science Spot News, Channel 18 at 8 o'clock. I'm Cassidy Etheridge, and we are here today with Amanda Harrington, a survivor of the 1998 tsunami. Amanda, could you describe how the tsunami was targeted?
To get an image of this tsunami, you could picture an ocean floor 50 miles long by 30 miles wide that abruptly lifts up 6 feet in the air. Because this happens, the water was immediately pushed up. The surface of the water was almost as high as the elevation, and when gravity tried to restore itself, it resulted in a series of waves. This is fairly typical in this situation.
Wow. Would you please describe how powerful the tsunami was? Describe the devastation.
This was a very devastating tsunami. Bodies began very quickly. The waters were full of bodies. They think there were still 2,000 bodies missing. There were many bodies that just washed out to sea, and the generation of the village will be lost forever. It was a public holiday, so children were the weakest. It started out as an earthquake. Part of the crust was pushed under the other part.
Could you please describe the machines of a tidal wave of this nature? What is the origin of the word tsunami?
The origin of the word tsunami is Japanese. Some prefer to use tidal wave instead. That is fine. Tidal wave is an apt description of this process. This process looks like a rapid tide to the viewers on shore.
Very great. Okay. Which of the oceans tends to experience more of these tidal waves? Why do you think that is?
Over the last 100 years, the Pacific Ocean has had one tsunami per year on average. Japan had the most destructive tsunami in the world. It occurred in 1896. There were 2,300 people that died.
Serious stuff. What are a few other causes of a tsunami? Will you please give an example or two?
Some other things that might cause a tsunami could be volcanic eruptions, explosive types like Krakatoa. Krakatoa is the volcano in what is Indonesia right now. Also, underwater landslides can cause tsunamis.
Well, thanks for tuning in to Science Spot News, Channel 18 at 8 o'clock. I'm Cassidy Etheridge, and always remember, stay